Welcome to IAC. Today we are going to discuss banking fund. Take first question. Your time starts now. Yes, time up. So take your given data. Here the given question is from blood relations. Here the given M is the father of E and C and. Friends, take here M. This M is the father of E and C. That means here A and C both are siblings. Next, R is the brother of C. Friends, take here R. This R is the brother of C. Next one, A is the husband of T and. Now friends, take here A. This A is husband of T. That means here T is wife of A. Next one, A is the husband of T and qualifies here first person A. A is next here A is the husband of T and leave it. S is daughter of T and. So here they given S is daughter of T. Now take care yes, this S is daughter of T. Next, V is the grandmother of S and. So friends, take care V. This V is grandmother of S means now V and M both are couples. Now V is the grandmother of S. So this is the given entire data. Take the question here. How T is related to M? Friends, how T is related to M means here M son is A wife is here T. So son's wife is for daughter-in-law. That means your answer is option C. Take next question. Your time starts now. Yes, time up. So here the given one is if R has only one sister and if R is having only one sister. So here A is brother of R. That means here R is having only one sister means now C is the possibility. Then what is the relation of A to S? How A is related to S and that means here A is father of S. So simply here answer is father. Option B is the answer. Next, take next question. Your time starts now. Time up. So question is how M is related to S and. Friends, take here how M is related to S. How M is related to S here? Grandfather. So answer is here grandfather. That means here answer is option C. Take next question. Your time starts now. Yes, time up. So take here given one. How many pairs of letters are there in the word? Next, in forward direction. Friends, here they want only forward direction now. So here the given word is application, each of which has many letters between them in the word as they have between them in the English alphabet. So, but here the given condition is only forward direction. Take here A face value 1, P is 16, P 16, L is 12, I is 9, C is 3, A1, T 20, I is 9, O is 15, N is 14. Suppose friends take here 1, next in number format after 1 and 2, next 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That means here 1 to 9 pair is matched. After 9, 10, 11, no. Friends, after 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, after 20 no number is there, so no need to check. After 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, after 20 no number, leave it. After 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, no. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, no. After 3, next 4, 5, 6, 7, no. After 20, no number. After 9, no. After 15, no. That means here forward direction, here we are having only one pair. So answer is option A. Take the next question. Your time starts now. Yes, time up. So friends, take care. Here the again question is find the odd one out. So out of given 5 options, 4 options are same, one is different. Which one is the different? Suppose friends, one subject here. Friends, P and S logic is here plus 3. S and R logic is minus 1. R and Q logic is here minus 1. Go for next one. V and Y. V and Y logic is what here? Plus 3. Y and X logic is what here? Minus 1. Y 25, X 24. X 24, W 23 minus 1. Next, go for next one here. Friends, here I and L logic is here plus 3. I is 9, L is 12. L and K minus 1. K and J minus 1. Next, M and O logic is here plus 2. Next, O and N here minus 1. N and L here minus 2 1. Next, E and D logic is here plus 3. D and C minus 1. C and B minus 1. So here from first letter to second, second to third, third to fourth, plus 3 minus 1 except option B. So answer is option B. Your time starts now. Yes, time up. So take care given one. If 4-letter word is formed from first, third, fifth and sixth letters of the word here, translate. Then what is the third letter of the newly formed word? If more than one meaningful word is formed, then answer will be Jud. Suppose friends, take here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So first letter is what? Here T. Third letter is here A. Fifth is here S. Sixth is here L. So by using these 4 letters, if you can able to frame only one meaningful word, third letter of the newly formed word is the answer. If more than one word, then answer is here Jud. Suppose friends, take here by using this one, we can able to frame here last, L-A-S-T, last. Next one salt, S-A-L-T, salt. Next one alt, alson, A-L-T-S, alts. That means we can able to frame here more than one word. Here remaining also will come in, but no need to take all words, but our requirement is what? If more than one, here we can able to frame more than one word. That means here simple answer is what? Jud. So Jud means here answer is option E. Take next question. Your time starts now. Yes, time up. So here the again question is from directions. Take your given data and point S is 15 meter west of point R. Take care, yes. This S is 15 meter west of here point R. Next, point R is 30 meter south of point Q. Friends, take care. Point R. This point R is 30 meter south of point Q. Next, point P is 20 meter west of Q1. Friends, take care. P. This P is 20 meter west of Q. This one is 15 meter. This one also compulsory 15. Now remaining is here 5. Point P is 20 meter west of Q. Next point. Point UV is 15 meter south of point P. Now friends, take care. U. This UV is 15 meter south of point PN. Next. Point T is 35 meter north of point S. Now point T is 35 meter north of SN. Take care. Point T is 35 meter north of S. So this one is S. For S north this one. Now point T is 35 meter. This one is 30. Then this one also compulsory 30. Now remaining is here 5. T is 35 meter north of S. So when this is the given entire information. Now take the question here. The again question is here, if point V is exactly between point Q and R. Now Friends, here the given is what? Point V is exactly between Q and R. This one is Q and R. So 30 total. Exactly middle means what? This one is here 15. This one also compulsory 15. Now this one is here V. V is exactly between Q and R. Then how far and which direction is point U with respect to Vn? Friend, this one is 15. This one also 15. That means horizontally these two are in the same line end. So how far means 5 plus 15. Total is what? 20. So friends, here UV is 20 meter here west of V. So answer is 20 meter west. So answer is option D. Take next question. Your time starts now. Yes, time up. So here the again question is 4 of the following 5 are alike in certain way. So form a group. Which of the following is not belongs to the group? So out of given 5 options, 4 are same, 1 is different. Which one is the different? P, T and. Now friends take here. P is here for T, east, west, north, south. So PA southwest of T. So first person is southwest of second person. So here they given first one here logic is first one is southwest of second person. U and Q. Now UV southwest of Q. For Q east, west, north, south. Now UV is southwest of Q. So first person is southwest of second person. RP. R is southwest of P. No. Friends take here for P east, west, north, south. Now R is southeast of P. This one is first person is southeast of second person. Next one S and Q. Friends take here S and Q. Now S is southwest of Q. This one is southwest. U and T. Now UV is southwest of T. This one also southwest. So which of the following is the different one means answer is option C. Why means except the option C in remaining all options first person is southwest of second person, but here this one is southeast. Take next question. Your time starts now. Yes, time up. Here the given data is if point W is 5 meter east of point U1. Now friends take here W. This W is 5 meter east of U. Next, then what is the distance between point W1 point S? Distance between point W1 here S and this total is 30. This one is 15. This one also 15. Now this one is 15, this one is 15. Now remaining one is part here 15. So distance between W and S is here 15. So answer is option B. Take next question. Your time starts now. Yes, time up. So here the given one is a question is from coding and decoding. Friends, if they given this small line, directly take the question and then solve one. So what will be the code for order? Once check here order is present in which lines? Friends, here we are having order. Next here also we are having order. Here also we are having order. Now first line, second line, third line common information is order. Then first line, second line, third line common code. Here PO not there. GB, here GB, here also we are having GB. So simple answer is what? GB and check other codes are there, IKMN, so not there. That means here simple answer is GB, option A is the answer. Take next question, your time starts now. Yes, time up. Take question. What may be the code for things to vanish? So friends, here they given maybe means there is a chance. Take first one things. Here we are having things. Here also we are having things. That means here first line, second line common information is things. Now common code. Here PO common. Remaining lines PO is not there. GB here third line GB, but here things is not there. Next IK not there, MN not there. That means what the code for things means here? PO. Next one 2. Once observe here 2 is present in which lines? Here we are having 2. 2 is present in only third line. So in third line only information is 2, then only code is. Eliminate the common codes GB. Next here also GB eliminated. Next BV, here BV eliminated. RA eliminated. That means here CQ. So 2 code is what? CQ. Next one vanish. One check here vanish is present in which lines? Here vanish is not there. So if information is not there means for this one answer is new code. Next. That means here our option is these two should be present along with one new code should be present. Now take first option. PO, CQ, yes. HX. Once observe here HX is present or not in our codes? Not there. That means for this one chance. So here A is chance but don't take directly A and. Why means fourth option they given either A or B. Check for B also. PO, CQ should be there but here it is not there. So this one is no chance. That means here simple answer is option A. Take next question. Your time starts now. Yes. So what will be the code for arrange? Once observe here arrange is present in which lines? Here arrange is present in only first line. So in first line only information is arrange, then only code is. Eliminate the common codes POGB, IK, MN. Friends here IK, here also we are having IK. That means here remaining code is MN. So in first line remaining information is arrange, remaining code is what? MN. So answer is option B. Take next question. Your time starts now. Yes, time up. So here the again question is what may be? Maybe means there is a chance. The code for in country. Once observe here in is present in which lines? Friends here we are having in, next here also we are having in. Now remaining lines not there. That means first line, last line common information is in, now common code is. So DE not there, RA not there, IF not there, IK. Here we are having IK, here also we are having IK. So in code is here IK. Country. Once observe here country is present in which lines? First line not there, second line not there, third line not there. That means here only fourth line. So in fourth line only information is country, then only code is. Eliminate the common codes. RA eliminated. Next one DE, next LF. Now DE, LF remaining lines it is not there. That means here DE chance, otherwise LF also chance. Now take friends here. So IK should be there. Next LF, yes, this one is chance. Next one IK should be there. Next DE, this one also chance. That means your answer is for either A or B. Option D is the answer. Take next question. Your time starts now. Yes, time up. So here the again question is BV is the code for. Friends, BV is the code for. Once observe here BV is present in which lines? Here we are having BV, here also we are having BV. Second line, third line, here only code is BV. Second line, third line only information is. Here we are having order. First line also order is there, so order no chance. Next for. Here for is not there. New. Here we are having new, here also we are having new. So only in second line and third line information is new, only code is BV. So answer is for new. Option B is the answer. Take next question. Your time starts now. Yes, time up. So here the again question is from inequalities. Here our requirement is which are the following conclusions are true and. Take a given statement. R is greater than or equal to S greater than or equal to T, greater than U, greater than X, T less than V less than W. Friends, if they give only two statements me, just take your arrow marks and instead of writing anti, take arrow marks. Now take here R and X. Between R and X here take here. So in these two statements here common is for T. So by taking here T, I can able to combine both statements. Now relation is between r and x. Once observe here, r is greater than or equal to s is greater than or equal to t. Next, t is greater than u is greater than x. Now here r and x greater than or equal to greater than. Resultant is greater than, so r is greater than x. First one is true. Second one, x and w. Between x and w, what are the symbols here? Once take here, x is less than u is less than t. Next, t is less than v is less than w. That means here x is less than w. So second one also true. So simple answer is what? Both are true. Both are true means answer is option E. Take next question. Your time starts now. Yes, time up. So here the given statement is E equal to F less than G less than H, G is greater than or equal to H. First statement, second statement here common is here G and. Now take your conclusion number 1. Here our relation is between H and I. Once observe here, between H and I, what are the symbols here? H is greater than G is greater than or equal to I. Greater than or equal to greater than. That means here H is greater than I. So first one is true. Second one, E and I. E less than F less than G. Next one is what? G greater than or equal to I. E equal to less than greater than or equal to opposite. So second one is can't say. That means your answer is only one follows. Only one follows means your answer is option A. Take next question. Your time starts now. Yes, time up. So here take your given statement. A is greater than B greater than F is greater than C. Next, D greater than E greater than C. Friends, first one and second one here common is what? Here C. By taking C, we can able to combine the both statements. Take first conclusion C and A. Between C and A, what are the symbols here? Greater than. Resultant is greater than. So A is greater than C, then C is less than A. First one is true. Second one, B and D. Between B and D, what are the symbols here? B greater than F greater than C less than E less than D. Greater than. But here greater than, here C is less than E. Greater than, less than, both are opposite. So second one is can't say. So only one follows. Option A is the answer. Take next question. Your time starts now. Take your given statement. K less than or equal to L less than or equal to M equal to N. Next, P greater than or equal to O greater than or equal to N. Friends, first one and second one here common letter is N. By taking N, we can able to combine the both statement. Just indicate arrow mark. Now, K and P. Between K and P, what are the symbols here? K less than or equal to L less than or equal to M equal to N. N is less than or equal to O less than or equal to P. So resultant is what? K is less than or equal to P and K is less than or equal to P. So K less than or equal to P means less than P chance or equal to P also chance. Compulsory less than P no chance, compulsory equal to P also no chance. What is the meaning of conclusion means compulsory. Compulsory K less than P no chance. Why means statement says that less than P or equal to P. So compulsory less than P chance, no chance. Compulsory equal to P also no chance. Both should be wrong. Subjective predicate are same. By using our statement between K and P, what are the symbols here? Less than, equal to. Statement symbols are less than, equal to. Conclusion symbols are less than, equal to. Statement symbol, conclusion symbols are same. The requirement is satisfied. If it satisfies all three conditions, so answer is option C. Either or. So instead of checking this entire, once checking our statement and our statement says that K less than or equal to P. So K less than or equal to P means possibilities are less than P or equal to P. So less than P or equal to P. So answer is either or. Option C is the answer. Take next question. Your time starts now. Yes, time up. So friends, take your given statement. D is less than E less than F less than G. Next K greater than F. First one and second one here common is what? F and common is F. Now take your conclusion number 1. K less than or equal to G. Friends, between K and G, what are the symbols here? G is greater than F is less than K. So greater than less than both are opposite. First one is can't say. Next K and D. Between K and D, what are the symbols here? D less than E less than F less than K. Less than result is less than. So D is less than. Friends, take care. D is less than K. Otherwise K is greater than Dn. If I will interchange the variable, symbol will also change. That means here second one is 2. That means here only 2 follows. Option B is the answer. Take next question. Your time starts now. Yes, time up. So take your question. Here the again question is, if all the letters in the word figures are arranged alphabetical order from left to right in such a way that vowels arranged first followed by consonant. So we are going to arranging in the alphabetical order. First we are going to arrange vowels. Next we are going to arrange consonants. So what are the given vowels here? E, I, U. That means first one is what? E, I, U. After that, next what are the given consonant? Next one is what? F, next G, next one is here R, next one is here S. So first vowels are alphabetical order, next consonants are alphabetical order. Question is, how many letters are there in between U and R? So between U and R, how many letters are there here? 2 letters are there. So answer is 2. Option A is the answer. Take next question. Your time starts now. Yes, time up. So here the again question is from Silax. Here our requirement is, which of the following conclusions are logically follows. That means here true conclusions. Take a given statement. No tea is a coffee. Friends, take a tea. This no tea is a coffee. Next, second one is no sweet is a tea. Friends, take a sweet. Here no sweet is a tea. So these are the given statements. Take first conclusion. No coffee is a sweet. Friends, here coffee and sweet relation is we can't say. So first one is can't say, wrong. Next, all sweets are coffee. Sweet and coffee relation is we can't say. This one also wrong. So friends, don't take answer is either or and. Why means for all or no condition, no chance to get either or. So simple answer is for both are wrong. Answer is option D. Neither one, not two. Take next question. Your time starts now. Yes, time up. So take here given statements. All medals are awards. Friends, take here medal. This all medals are here awards. Next one, all rewards are medal. Friends, take here reward. This all reward is a medal. So these are the given statements. Take first conclusion. All rewards are awards. Friends, here all rewards. These all rewards are here awards. Yes, first one is true. Second one, all awards are medals. Friends, sorry, not medals, medals and all awards are here medals. Sivana, a medals and cheppini cut cheskona. Next, take second conclusion. All awards are medals. Friends, in the entire boundary of awards, here medal is a some part. That means we know only some award is a medal. But here all awards are medal means this one is wrong. So only one follows. So answer is option A. Take next question. Your time starts now. Yes, time up. So take care given statement. Some leaves are here plants. Friends, take care. Leaf. Some part of leaf is a here plant. Next one. All buses are plants and friends, take care. Buses. These all buses are here plant. Take first conclusion. All leaves are buses. Here leaf and bus list is can't say. First one is wrong. Next one. Some leaves are definitely not bus. Leave and bus list is can't say. This one also wrong. Both should be wrong. Subjective predicates are same. All is positive, some not is negative. So one is positive, other one is negative. So answer is here. Either or, option C is the answer. Take next question. Your time starts now. Yes, time up. So take care given statements. All bottles are mugs. Friends, take care. Bottle. This all bottle is a mug. And next, go for next one. Here no cup is a mug. Friends, take care. Cup. Here no cup is a mug. So these are the given statements. Take first conclusion. No bottle is a cup. And we know entire boundary of mug is not cup. If entire boundary of mug is not cup means your bottle is within the boundary of mug, no bottle is a cup. Yes, first one is true. Second one, at least some mugs are bottles. In entire boundary of mug, bottle is a some part of mug is a bottle. Yes, second one also true. So answer is both are true. Both are true means answer is option E. Next, take next question. Your time starts now. Yes, time up. So take here given statements. Here they given all windows are door. Friends, take here window. This all window is a door. Next one, all entrance are windows. Friends, here entrance, this all entrance are windows only. Take here entrance. These all entrance are here window. Next one, no gate is a door. Friends, take here gate. Here no gate is a door. So these are the given statements. Take first conclusion. At least some window or gate. Some part of window is a gate. We know all doors are not gates. If all doors are not gates means then all windows are not gate. But some window or gate means this one is wrong. Why means we know all windows are not gates. Next one. No gate is an entrance. Friends, here we know no door is a here gate means no window is a gate. No entrance is a gate. If no entrance is a gate, then no gate is a entrance. So this one is true. That means your answer is only 2 follows. Option B is the answer.